My name is Maithia Mothama, and I'm the team leader of digital strategies in Kenya. Very soon, every human is going to have a mobile device in their pocket. What does this mean for us as Kenya? The latest statistics say that Kenyans spend over 7 hours on social media pages, whether it is Facebook, whether it is Instagram, whether it is Twitter. And this is a great opportunity for us as Kenyans to be able to share the gospel in the digital space. In Digital Strategies Kenya, we want to share the gospel with each and every person, especially in the digital space. And how do we do this? We do this in different ways. First, we engage with people who are curious about the gospel. How can someone have a relationship with Christ? The second thing is we empower like-minded believers who are out there and they're saying that I am in the digital space, but I do not know how to share the gospel. The third thing is we lead by want to plant churches where churches do not exist. In places like Northeastern, where we do not have any church, we can actually start a church online by starting a WhatsApp group or even starting a church on Telegram or on Twitter. And you also want to collaborate. We are saying that for us as digital strategies, we do not have all the technology, but we want to work together so we can be able to see the Great Commission fulfilled in our lifetime. You might be asking yourself, how can you join? In digital strategies, we have different activities that you do. Some of the things that you do are things like hackathon. And in hackathon is where you bring together coders, graphic designers, and people who are passionate about coming up with apps to use for sharing the Great Commission. And you normally have global hackathons every October. This is an opportunity for you, if you're a coder, if you're a graphic designer, to come and join us so that you can be able to come up with apps for the Great Commission. We also come up with short films. We train people on how to come up with short films, and you also use short films to share the gospel in different places, whether it's in high school, whether it is in campus. You can actually even use it in your church to be able to share the gospel. Other things that we do are things like Digital Day of Outreach. In this day, we set aside a whole day sharing the gospel from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. and you're basically sharing the gospel online. You can use your WhatsApp, you can use your Facebook, you can use Twitter at the comfort of your room to be able to share the gospel. And you are saying that we want to share the gospel with each and every person so that the gospel can be able to permeate each and every sector of our society. Come join us, and we want to make the gospel the major thing in the digital space.